In this video, I will show you how to make OBS Studio start on startup. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, if you want OBS to start automatically when your laptop or PC loads through, then what you need to do first from your desktop is come down to your search box in your taskbar at the bottom. In here, you want to type OBS and you should see OBS Studio come up underneath Best Match. Now, what you want to do is right click onto this, and on this menu that comes up, you want to click onto Open File Location. What that's going to do is open a window like this, and from here all you need to do is click to highlight OBS Studio, right click to bring up this menu, and then click on to copy. Once you've done that, close this window down, and what you want to do now is come back down to your search box at the taskbar at the bottom. In here type run, and then open up run underneath Best Match. In the run box that comes up, what you want to do is type the following command, which is shell : startup, all one word with no spaces like this, and then click OK. What that's going to do is open a window like this, and on this window you just want to right click onto a blank space and then click onto paste. Now what it's going to do is set OBS to start automatically, so that's going to happen the next time you start your PC or laptop. And that's how to make OBS Studio start on startup. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.